The pandemic really hit us hard. We've seen startups and other businesses collapse and unemployment rates increase. But now, let's see this as an opportunity to build things, to build stronger and long-lasting companies. And that's exactly what we're thinking at Vico Services. We want to help e-commerce companies cope with their rising demand. We genuinely want to help you guys cut costs and not just outsource your non-core business activities to us, but we want to partner with you to build your company together. And when we work together, you will be able to take advantage of vast talent pool at a nominal cost. And as a business owner, I understand that outsourcing is looked upon as it's killing job opportunities in the home country. But I say otherwise. When you're actually able to outsource your non-core business activities, you will have the time and resources to focus on your core business activities, which will fundamentally help you scale faster, through which you can generate more employment and create hundreds and even thousands of jobs. So let's make the world a better place together.